Welcome to Beautiful Home. If you've ever walked into a bedroom and instantly felt calm, elevated, and wrapped in quiet luxury, this video is for you. An expensive-looking bedroom isn't about buying the most costly furniture or following fleeting trends. It's about intentional choices, texture over clutter, softness over shine, and details that whisper elegance instead of shouting for attention. Today, I'm sharing 7 elegant and cozy items that instantly elevate your bedroom and make it feel thoughtfully styled, serene, and undeniably high-end. These are the kinds of details designers rely on again and again, because they work every single time. Nothing sets the tone of a luxurious bedroom faster than beautifully layered bedding. Think crisp cotton sheets, a plush duvet, and an extra layer, like a quilt or coverlet, folded casually at the foot of the bed. The key here is restraint. Stick to soft neutrals like warm white, cream, beige, or muted taupe. These shades reflect light gently and instantly make the space feel calm and refined. Add 2 sleeping pillows, 2 larger Euro pillows, and 1 subtle accent cushion to create depth without overdoing it. The result? A bed that looks hotel-worthy yet inviting enough to sink into every night. An expensive bedroom always has a strong visual anchor, and that's often the headboard. Upholstered headboards in linen, velvet, or boucle instantly add softness and sophistication. Choose something tall or generously proportioned. It draws the eye upward and makes the room feel more grand. Neutral fabrics work best, especially those with subtle texture rather than bold patterns. Even in a small bedroom, a well-chosen headboard creates the illusion of space and intention. It's not just furniture, it's the backbone of your bedroom design. Luxury is never lit by a single ceiling light. Instead, it's all about layers. Bedside lamps with fabric shades, a soft overhead fixture, and maybe even a small accent lamp on a dresser or console. Warm bulbs are essential. They create a golden glow that flatters everything in the room. Lamps with ceramic, stone, or brushed metal bases add subtle elegance without stealing attention. When lighting feels soft and intentional, the entire bedroom instantly feels calmer, cozier, and far more expensive. Window treatments are often overlooked, but they're a secret weapon in high-end bedrooms. Floor-length curtains in linen, cotton, or a soft blended fabric add verticality and polish. Hang them higher than the window frame and let them just kiss the floor. This small trick makes ceilings feel taller and the room more refined. Stick to light, natural shades that blend seamlessly with your walls. Even simple curtains, when styled correctly, can transform an ordinary bedroom into a designer-inspired retreat. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to Beautiful Home, and leave a comment below telling me which bedroom detail you're excited to try first. I'd love to hear from you. An expensive bedroom never feels cluttered, especially around the bed. Your nightstand should be both functional and beautiful. Choose a piece with clean lines. Wood, stone, or a matte finish works wonderfully. On top, style just a few intentional items: a lamp, a small tray, maybe a book, or a ceramic object. Leave breathing room. Negative space is part of the design. When everything has a purpose and nothing feels crowded, the bedroom immediately feels more curated and calm. Rugs are essential for creating that plush, layered feeling associated with luxury interiors. A bedroom rug should be large enough to extend beyond the sides of the bed, allowing your feet to land on something soft each morning. Neutral rugs with subtle patterns or gentle texture work best. They add warmth without overwhelming the space. Whether it's wool, a low-pile weave, or a softly textured flat rug, this single addition can completely change how polished and finished your bedroom feels. The final touch of an expensive-looking bedroom lies in the details, but only the right ones. A ceramic vase, a sculptural bowl, a framed art print, or a small stack of books adds personality without clutter. Avoid filling every surface. Instead, choose a few pieces that feel meaningful or visually calming. Natural materials like stone, wood, linen, and glass always read more elevated than overly glossy or synthetic finishes. These quiet details are what make a bedroom feel designed rather than decorated. An elegant, cozy bedroom isn't created overnight, and it doesn't require a massive budget. It's built through thoughtful layers, soft textures, and intentional choices that prioritize comfort and calm. When you focus on quality over quantity, warmth over trends, and balance over excess, your bedroom naturally begins to feel more luxurious. Let it be a place where you unwind, reset, and truly feel at home. Thank you for spending this time with Beautiful Home. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again with more timeless ideas to elevate your space.